If you've ever nodded off on public transit after a long day of work or a big night out, Google Maps' upcoming feature could be just what you've been looking for. The firm is set to launch a new feature that will provide users with real-time updates about their trips, including a reminder to get off at your stop, according to TechCrunch. The update could also prove useful for travelers in unfamiliar areas, giving live guidance about a journey from start to finish. Google has been testing real-time notifications for transit journeys, according to TechCrunch. Users would be able to start and end a trip, during which they could scroll through the details and receive updates. It appears the feature will also let users know when the bus or train is approaching their stop. It's unclear when the new feature will launch, though TechCrunch says the firm plans to roll it out soon. Google has been testing out the feature among a small group of users, with plans to launch it soon, TechCrunch reports. Once the feature arrives, users will be able to search transit directions like they usually do and indicate when they want to start a trip. Then, they'll be shown details and updates on the route. These will appear in both the app and on Android lock screens, according to TechCrunch. It will also notify you when your bus or train is nearing your stop. The firm has made a number of changes recently to make its service more user-friendly. Last month, the tech giant overhauled its map color scheme and added new icons to help users quickly identify different points of interest. Places like a cafe, church, museum, zoo or hospital will have a designated color and icon to make it easier for users to find what they're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a coffee shop in a new neighborhood, you could open Google Maps and look for the nearest orange icon, the color code for food and drink places. Google Maps also updated the driving, navigation, transit and explore maps to better highlight the information most relevant to each experience, such as gas stations for navigation and train stations for transit. Google made a cheat sheet of the new colors and icons to help users become acquainted with the new look. Google products set to incorporate the new feature include Google Assistant, Google Search, Google Earth, and Android Auto. Over time, the new style will also appear in the apps, websites and experiences offered by companies that use Google Maps APIs as well. Other recent additions to Google Maps include the new video review feature. The feature, launched in September, allows users to create 10-second video clips in the Maps app or upload 30-second clips from their camera roll to describe their experiences at destinations in a new way.